Let's have a look at another 2-card combination. The 9 of Cups. This is the one of wishes fulfillment. A lot of people also say that he's a glutton. He's got everything that he wants. He's smug. Together with the King of Cups, the emotionally balanced king. So this is going from having everything you want, emotionally fulfilled, all your wishes coming true, and staying grounded and emotionally balanced. I feel this goes from being smug and thinking you've got a big ego to really balancing that to being in control of your emotions. This also for me is a lesson, even though you've got everything in life, even though your wishes did come true, even though everything is working out for you how you feel, treat other people fairly, treat other people in an emotionally stable way, and do not have that big ego. This king is sitting on his throne, but he hasn't got a big ego. He is stable, he knows himself, and he's got his emotions well in control.